So dear student, today we are going to learn the rules of subject-verb agreement. Now the question is, what does subject-verb agreement mean? Well, a verb changes whenever its subject changes in number and person. In other way, we can say agreement in grammar means that the subject and verb must be alike in number. That means a singular subject requires a singular verb and a plural subject requires a plural verb. Now here are some rules. Before we are going to learn the rules, we have to see some important things like, what do you mean by singular subject? Singular subject means one person or object, and plural subject means two or more persons or objects. Singular verb needs s or es after the verb. And what do you mean by plural verb? Based or simple form. That means there is no s or es with the verb. Here are some common rules. I, singular verb, but we shouldn't add s here. You, plural verb, so there is no s. He, she, it, singular verb, we have to add s. We, plural verb, but no s. You, plural verb, no s. They, plural verb, no s. Here, rule 1. Subject singular equal verb singular. If subject is third person singular number, then add s or es with the verb. What do you mean by third person singular number? Here, third person singular number, she, he, Shetu, Ratul, Dhaka, etc. Any name. Any name is called third person singular number. Subject plural equal verb plural. That means if the subject is plural, then verb is plural. Now see the examples. My brother is a doctor. My brother is a doctor. Here the subject is my brother. And there is no s with the brother. That means here is one brother. And it's obviously singular subject. So here the verb is also singular. That means is singular. The another one, my sisters are musicians. Here, my sisters. We see here s with the subject. That means here is plural subject. That's why the verb is also plural. That is are. Now rule 2. Two or more than two singular noun or pronoun plus add and verb and pronoun plural. That means if there is two or more than two singular pronoun or noun which is added by and, then the verb and its pronoun will be in plural form. Look at this example. Priya and Kea are going to their village. Here Priya is a singular subject. Kea is also a singular subject. These two singular subjects are at with and. So that's why they both are plural subject. That's why the verb is here plural are, and the pronoun there is also plural form. Look at the another one. If a same subject or object is added by and, then the verb and pronoun will be singular. That means if the subject is same, there is a two subject that doesn't matter. But if the subject are same, then definitely it's singular form and the verb and pronoun will be singular too. Look at this example. The headmaster and secretary is present. Here the headmaster and secretary, they are same person. That's why they are singular form. For this reason, the verb is also singular. That's why we write here is. Now look at the another one. If two different subjects or objects are added by and, then the verb and pronoun will be plural. Look at the example. The headmaster and the secretary are present. Here the headmaster and the secretary, these two persons are different. So that's why they are plural form. So the verb is also plural here, like are. Now it's true. Now girls, you can understand by two different things. The headmaster and secretary, there is no article with the secretary. But in the second example, we find two articles, the headmaster and the secretary. That's why they are different person. But here, there is one article. That's why these persons are same. Now rule 3. The verb will be singular if the nouns express only one expression, even if they are joined by an. That means and দ্বারা যুক্ত হয়েও যদি নাউনগুলো একটিমাত্র ভাব প্রকাশ করে তাহলে সেক্ষেত্রে ভার্বটি কী হবে? সিঙ্গুলার ফর্ম হবে। ফর এক্সাম্পল, bread and butter is my favorite breakfast. Bread and butter. They are two nouns joined by and. But they express only one expression. That means we do not eat bread and butter separately. We eat them together. That's why they work like one. That's why the verb is singular form here. That is. There is a note. Please look it carefully. But when you will buy bread and butter in a shop, then these two items become two different things. And it will be plural form then. Now the second one, slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady, they are same. That means slow and steady means dhirogati. They express same thing. That's why the verb here is singular. And a singular verb indicates s. If we find s with a verb, that means the verb is singular form. Okay girls? Now there is a note. Time and tide wait for none. Here we do not find any s with the verb. That means here the verb is plural form. Time and tide. Time means shomoy and tide means স্রোত. They are two different things. That's why the verb is also plural here. Now rule 4. Each, every, no. These three are indicate singular noun. So verb and pronoun will be singular too. For example, each man and each woman has a mobile. Each man and each woman. They indicate singular form. That's why the verb is also singular here. Has. If there is not after and, then the verb will follow the first subject. That means যদি and এর পরে আমরা not দেখি তাহলে সেক্ষেত্রে ভার্বটা কী করবে? প্রথম যে সাবজেক্টটা থাকবে বা অ্যান্ডের সাথে মানে অ্যান্ডের আগে যে সাবজেক্টটা থাকবে সেটাকে ফলো করবে। Look at this example. Sadia and not her brothers has helped me. Here is Sadia, singular verb, singular noun, and her brothers, plural noun. So definitely the verb will follow the first one. That means Sadia. And Sadia is singular form. That is why verb is also singular here. Rule 5. If any noun or pronoun joins through, with, together with, as well as, along with, in addition to, accompanied by, then the verb will follow the first subject. Here is the same, the verb will follow the first subject. If this subject, that means if the first subject is singular, then the verb will be singular. If it's plural, then verb will be plural. Look at the example. Firdaus as well as his friends has done well in the exam. Here we find two nouns. One is Firdaus and his friends. This one is singular and his friends plural form. But the verb will follow the first one, that is Firdaus, which is singular. So verb is also singular here. Rule 6. When singular subject is joined by either or, neither nor, then the verb becomes singular too. That means this indicates singular noun. For example, either he or his brother is guilty. মানে হচ্ছে হয়তো সে নয়তো তার ভাই, এখানে অরটা দেওয়া আছে, মানে যে কোনো সিঙ্গুলার ফর্ম ইন্ডিকেট করছে, যে জন্য আমরা এটাকে ভার্ব কী করবো, ভার্বটাকে আমরা সিঙ্গুলার ফর্মে নিয়ে আসবো, দ্যাট ইজ। বাট if different number of subject is joined by this, that means either or, neither nor, the verb will follow the last subject. তো দেখেন কি বলেছে, যদি ডিফারেন্ট নাম্বার অফ সাবজেক্ট থাকে, নাম্বার অফ সাবজেক্ট মানে হচ্ছে সিঙ্গুলার প্লুরাল, দেখা যায় যে দুটো ডিফারেন্ট নাম্বার যুক্ত হলো, হয়তো একটা সিঙ্গুলার একটা প্লুরাল, তাহলে সেক্ষেত্রে কী হবে, ভার্ব যেটা সেটা লাস্ট সাবজেক্টটাকে ফলো করবে। লুক অ্যাট দ্য এক্সাম্পল, either he or his brothers are present. He, here is he, singular noun, and his brothers, plural form. So the verb will follow the last subject, that is his brother. Now rule 7. Collective nouns are generally singular, so the verb will be singular too. For example, the jury was unanimous in his opinion. The jury means বিচারক. So here the jury is collective noun, that's why the verb is singular here. But look at this note, but if the collective noun indicates noun of multitude or division, then the verb will be plural. অর্থাৎ যদি দেখা যায় যে কালেক্টিভ নাউন হওয়ার শর্ত সেটা ডিভিশন বা ডিভাইডেড বা আলাদা কিছু বোঝায়, তাহলে সেক্ষেত্রে আমরা ভার্বটাকে প্লুরালে নিয়ে যাব। ফর এক্সাম্পল, দি জিউরি ওয়্যার ডিভাইডেড ইন দেয়ার ওপিনিয়ন। তার মানে বিচারকগুলো কী হচ্ছে, যার যার বিচারে যার যার ওপিনিয়নে আলাদা হয়ে গেছে, তার মানে এখানে ডিভিশন বোঝাচ্ছে, মাল্টিটিউড বোঝাচ্ছে, যার জন্য আমরা এটাকে কী করবো, ভার্বটাকে প্লুরালে নিয়ে যাব। The jury were divided in their opinion. Here rule 8. Aristocracy, nobility, clergy, cattle, poultry, people, folk, gentry, vermin, etc. These indicate plural noun. So here the verb will be plural too. For example, cattle are grazing in the field. Cattle means অনেক গরু ছাগল বাছুর এগুলো আর কি, এগুলোকে একসাথে অনেকগুলোকে একসাথে করা হয়, যার ফলে এটা কী হিসেবে করা হয়, প্লুরাল ফর্ম হিসেবে দেখা হয়, যার ফলে এটার ভার্বটাও প্লুরাল হবে। Rule 9. The following nouns are considered as singular, so verb is singular too. Mathematics, news, physics, cello, politics, etc. Mathematics, physics, their subject, though they look like plural form as, but no, it's a singular form, that is subject never can be plural. News, solo, etc. So these are considered singular form, so definitely the verb will be singular too. For example, the news is false. News is false. Is here is a singular verb, as the subject is also singular. Rule 10. After one of the noun or pronoun will be plural, but the verb will be singular in form. মানে হচ্ছে ওয়ান অফ দ্য যদি থাকে, তাহলে ওয়ান অফ দ্যার পরে যে নাউন বা প্রোনাউনটা থাকবে সেটা প্লুরাল হবে, কিন্তু ভার্বটা সিঙ্গুলারই থাকবে। একটা সেন্টেন্সে দুটো নিয়ম, ওয়ান অফ দির পরে নাউন বা প্রোনাউন যদি থাকে সেটা প্লুরাল ফর্ম, আর ভার্ব যদি থাকে সেটা সিঙ্গুলার ফর্ম। Look at the example. One of the boys is absent. One of the boys. Noun and its plural form is. But the verb is singular, is.